today's skills video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic short crust pastry using the food processor. I'm going to add 200 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of butter, and we're going to blitz it to a fine powder, or like breadcrumbs. Now it's fine, like fine breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in an egg and a little bit of cold water while the mixer is moving. And you mix it up until it comes to a nice dough like that. Now we've taken the pastry out of the food processor. We're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of flour and just work it together like this on your work surface into a nice smooth dough. Now we're going to roll out the pastry. Generally you roll in one direction only, and you lift and turn. Sprinkle with a little bit of flour if it gets a little bit sticky. So to line a tin like this, you lift up the pastry, push it down into the edges, and then the pastry can shrink a little bit. So what I do is I push it in over the edge and cut it with my fingers like that. So you don't want to just cut it flat on the top of it, because then it'll just shrink down a little bit lower and you have less pastry taste. So you can keep that in the fridge for use afterwards. And with this then, we're just going to push it up slightly above the edge of the tart tin. And the best thing is to pop that in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes before you bake it to prevent shrinkage. Thanks for watching today's video on how to make short crust pastry easily in the food processor. Don't forget to subscribe below and leave your comments. And why not check out some of my other skills videos, like chopping an onion evenly into small pieces, or how to make sauerkraut, really healthy and tasty and good for your gut. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.